Guys!
Congratulations! Ikaw ang second placer ngayong PGT Season 7!
PGT Fel Manila. Wow! Congratulations, Fel Manila. Sino kaya ang first winner, di ba? Sa PGT Season 7. Abangan natin, guys. Wow! Fel Manila, congratulations. Woo! Grabe. Grabe yung kaba.
Ano?
Wow, grand winner. 2 million.
Our ABS-C
Guys, 2 million yung grand winner.
Miss Cory Vidanes. Tita Cory,
Wow.
thank you so much for being here with us. Here we go!
Here we go, guys. The champion, the grand champion.
Combined score of
Woo!
99 points.
Wow, sabi ko sa iyo kanina, di ba? 99. Woo! Alam na.
Cory, please do the honors of announcing
Alam na kung sino ang manalo, guys.
the winner.
Pilipinas Got Talent Season 7 Grand Winner. Congratulations!
Woo! Grabe yung sigaw ng audience. Grabe. Wow! Congratulations, Kuya Cardo! Woo! Woohoo! Wow, grand champion, guys!
2 million. Ang galing.
2 million, grand champion. Congratulations!
Diba?
Cardo Trompo, Kuya Cardo. Congratulations. 2 million, grabe.